Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today I am here to teach you maths, and that is additions. And addition is a process of combining a group of objects or numbers, and the numbers that are added in an addition are called as addends, and the answer we get or the result after addition is called as sum and addends. For example, 100 plus 150 equals 250. 100 and 150 are addends, and the answer 250 is the sum of these two numbers. That is sum. And plus is the symbol of addition. And we have some properties of additions here. Properties of additions. Any number, if you add in any order, we get the same answer. If two numbers are added in any order, the sum will not change. And two or three numbers are grouped together and added in any order, there will be no change in the Hundred plus 150 is 250 plus 300 is 550 equals, there are 300, 100 plus 150. So we have changed the order of the numbers that we have added. This becomes 400 plus 150 is also 550. So if two or more numbers are added in any order, the sum will not change. And 0 is added to any number, we get the same number, or any number is added to 0, we get the same number. And if 1 is added to any number, we get the next number. 6,999 plus 1 equals 7,000. We get the next number or the successor. 5,282 plus 1 equals 5,283. So these are the properties of addition. And if two numbers are added in any order, the answer is the same. This property is known as commutative property. This is commutative property. And when 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, zero is called the additive identity. Yeah, when 0 is added to the any number and any number is added to 0, this is called the additive property of 0. This is additive property of 0. This is called as additive property. Commutative property is when two numbers are added in any order, the answer will be the same, that is commutative, and 0 plus any number or any number plus 0 gives the same number, that is additive property. Now just as in class 3 you have learnt adding 4-digit numbers, in the same way the same process is followed for 5 and 6-digit numbers. Addition with carrying and without carrying. Addition is nothing but counting forward. Add this is 4-digit numbers, adding 4-digit numbers. 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2 6. Just we have always start adding from the ones place only. And the adding of 4-digit and 5-digit and 6-digit numbers also the same process. Add 43,635, 54,264. 5 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. We are adding 2 5-digit numbers. 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 6 9, 8, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 4 9. 97,899. 43,635 plus 54,264. The result is 97,899. Now, arrange in columns and add. Arrange in columns and add. 3 numbers are given here. You should add them. Here we have 6-digit numbers also. Plus 52,364. Here we have 2 6-digit numbers and 1 5-digit number. Now arrange them according to the places. First one is 3,32,181. Second one is 2,43,650. And the next one is 52,364. It has only 5 digits. Never start writing from the extreme left. Always start writing a number from the places of ones place only. According to their places you have to write. 52,364. Don't write 52 from, start writing 52 from here. It has only 5 digits. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. Just carry 1 to the hundreds. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Carry 1 to lakhs. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. The answer is 6,28,195. Now add this. Second problem. 2,46,392 plus 3,64,293 plus 4,63,000. Karthik? 4,63,899. Now arranged in columns. Thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 2,46,392. 3,64,293. 4,63,899. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. Plus 1, 28. Carry 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13 plus 2, 15. 5 in hundreds. Shift 1 to thousands. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4 in the thousands. Carry 1 to the 10,000s. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Plus 1, 17. Carry 1. 7 in the 10,000s. Carry 1 to the lakhs. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 2, 9. Plus 1, 10. The answer is 10,74,584. So in this way, 6-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers can be added. And let us go with the word problems now. Karthik, pause it. Karthik, pause. Yeah, now let us go with word problems. Word problems are nothing but using additions in real life situations. And the keywords for the word problems in addition are in all, altogether, sum, total. By these keywords, you can identify that it is the problem on addition. And here is a problem. A publisher published 2,28,532 copies in 2006, 1,62,008 copies in 2007, 2,15,995 copies in 2008. Find the total number of copies published in 3 years. So you have to find the total number of copies published in 3 years. For these, you should write the meaningful statements. So first statement is, what is given we have to write. Number of copies published in 2006, that is given here, 2,28,532. Number of copies published in 2007, 1,62,008. And in 2008, number of copies published in 2008 is 2,15,995. So to find the total number of copies, we should add all the copies published in 3 years. Add now. Write according to the places. 2,28,532. Please put the places over them and write the digits below the places correctly. Now always start adding from the ones place digits only. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15. Carry 1 to tens. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Carry 1 to hundreds. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. Carry 1 to thousands. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Plus 1, 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1 to lakhs, please. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 2, 5. 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Never forget to add the carryover ones. So the total number of copies published in 3 years is 6,06,535. So according to the given data, you can write the statements, add and write. Now find the sum of, and half an hour. Find the sum of largest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. Sum is nothing but addition. Largest 4-digit number. $9,999. We all know that. Smallest 5-digit number. That is 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Sum means addition. We should add these two now. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Bring down 1. 19,999 is the sum of largest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number, largest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number. 19,999. What is 0 plus largest 6-digit number? Zero plus largest 6-digit number. 0 plus largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. We know that any number is added to 0, we get the same number, the number itself. So largest 6-digit number is the answer. We get the same number. Largest 5-digit number plus 1. What is the largest 5-digit number? 9,999 plus 1. What do you get? We get the next number, that is 1 lakh, which is smallest 6-digit number. So when 1 is added to largest 6-digit number, what do we get? When 1 is added to largest 5-digit number, what do we get? We get smallest 6-digit number. So here two numbers are given, 3,52,664 plus 6,98,324 equals to dash plus 3,52,664. Here equal to is given, and when two numbers are added in any order, we get the same answer. So we have to write the missing number here, 6,98,324. We know that the sum is same when the numbers are changed and added even. So the missing number should be written here. Dash plus 5,32,470 equals 5,32,470. So when what is added to this number, we get the same number. When 0 is added to this, we get the same number. So we should write 0 here. According to the answer, 0 should be here. Dash plus 4,35,000 So 4,35,665 plus what gives you 4,35,666. Here this is the after number to this number. So we should add 1 here. 1 plus 4,35,665 equals 4,35,666. $135 plus 49,234 plus 1,85,390 equals dash plus 1,85,390 plus 135. Here three numbers are added and the order is changed here and there is equals here. We know that when the order is changed in three numbers, we get the same answer. Even when the order is changed and added, we get the same answer. Here left hand and right hand side we should have the same numbers because there is equal to. We know that the sum will not change, the answer will not change. So this number is here, this number is here, this number is here, this number is here. So the missing number should be written on right hand side, 49,234. These are based on the properties of addition. And there are many sums for practice from page number 34 to 45. Children, from page number to 34 to 45, many exercises are given. You can easily complete them in the textbook and worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.